While the devastating death toll continues to rise, rescuers are still finding survivors in the rubble in Turkey and Syria. In Afrin, in Syria's Aleppo province, the painstaking search for a missing child finds her shocked but alive amid the debris. Allahu Akbar. In Hatay in Turkey, there was similar joy for rescuers when they managed to pull another young girl from the ruins of her home. And elsewhere in Turkey, hopes of another rescue rise as cries for help are heard from the rubble of a building in Adıyaman. But too often the outcome is tragic. In Samada in Syria, rescuers found the bodies of two young brothers in each other's arms.